Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech, unboxings, and simple tips, you are in the right place. So, in this video, we will talk about how to remove your Google account from other devices. For this, open the Gmail app on your device. Now, at the top right corner, click on the profile icon. Now, click on the Manage Your Google account. Click on Security and Sign In. Now, scroll down and tap on Manage All the Devices. Here you will see the list of all the locked devices. Now click on the device name that you want to remove. It may ask you to enter Gmail password, and after entering here, click on the sign out. Now again click on the sign out, and yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.